Video. In the first video, we did some designing and we brought in the parts that we need to make this Digital Doodle app. Then we grabbed some blocks on building it, and now we're going to test it. So you need to have the App Inventor app loaded to your device, and then go to Connect an AI component. Now, the reason why mine's already blocked is because I've already just scanned it. So now we're going to test it. I'm going to hit take a picture, and then let's go ahead and take a selfie with the computer right there, and then hit use photo. All right, can I draw on it? Yes, I can. Can I change the color to blue? There it goes. Start change to blue. Can I change it to red? There it goes. Making some red designs on there. Kind of tough to see there, but if I get closer, it will. Okay, so the function of the app is working. Does it look pretty? Not really. So let's make it look pretty. I will show you that if you want to add anything and have your app open, you can be adding, like, let's add another button. Now, all of a sudden, this just snapped and it added a button right in the middle. So let's make this your favorite button. I'm going to rename this, and I'm going to make this the green color. I'm going to come over here and add a text box for green. I'm going to come up here to background color. I'm going to make that green. Don't forget to go in your code and make a new green. So I'm going to right click on this, make it green, change the red to green, change the red to green, and you are seeing in real time that just got added to it. Let me also make this a little bit bigger. Okay, other things you can do are you can click on this horizontal arrangement, and you can say, hey, I want this to line up with the center. I want this to line up with the center. Let's see, for the width of the horizontal arrangement, I want it to go the whole way across the screen. And now it's doing those things. So as I'm adjusting, let's say I want the canvas to be the width of my screen. So I'm going to hit fill parent, but I want the height of it to only be about 55%. And now you can see it's starting to make those changes. So this is a really cool way to help your app look better. You can see it in real time. You don't have to. And does it still work? So I'm going to hit take a picture. Let's take another picture. Hit use. Can I draw on it? Yes, I can. Can I change the colors? Green works, red works, blue works. All right. Now, can I shake it? Will it clear? Oh, all the lines are gone. Looks like it works. Okay, everything works. Feel free to add and modify on your own. Have some fun with it. I'd love to hear how you designed it and made it better in the comments below. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.